Check this out.
So here we have the Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition console for the Xbox One X. The game release is September 17 of 2020. It comes with the Xbox Game Pass, a 1-month Ultimate Game Pass, and it comes with a controller and a 1 terabyte hard drive. Unfortunately, it's not 2.077 terabytes for the Xbox. Here's the back, it's just the same thing, Cyberpunk 2077. And here we have the 1.077 terabyte hard drive. It's 4K gaming, HDR, whatever, only the 1% has that. Xbox One, of course, the Xbox One. It's fully compatible with Xbox One. That makes no sense. It also includes a Xbox One X limited edition console that I guess is fully compatible with the Xbox One, an Xbox One vertical stand, the limited edition wireless controller, the Game Pass, a Cyberpunk 2077 game download in September 2077. Here we have the first expansion download available when released. Don't know if that's just a free thing and they're just saying that to be all fancy, or if that's actually a paid thing and you're actually getting it as a bonus for spending way too much money on this thing. High-speed HDMI cable, wireless network capability, wholly and 1-year warranty. And of course, 2077 bottom, the 2077 top. 2077 stickers. Cyberpunk 2077. Look at all this 2077 graffiti. We have the same shit on the side. And this. Ooh. Now this is the nice side. The Cyberpunk 2077. Ooh. Cyberpunk 2077. Okay, so here we have this Xbox One X Cyberpunk 2077 sleeve. This is all the stuff that it comes with. A Cyberpunk 2077 sleeve thing, Digital Direct. Your digital content will be delivered directly to your console during setup. No codes required. All digital content will be attached to the first Microsoft account that redeems it. This is some futuristic Cyberpunk 2077 technology right here. It doesn't even have codes anymore. And then here we have
Cyberpunk
Services Agreement. The game may require online updates. So I don't know why they couldn't have written all of that on one sheet. And now here's the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. And again, no codes. Digital Direct, no codes required. 2077 technology. Step 1, flip your console vertically, put it on the stand, plug it in, easy peasy. Oh wait, step 3, batteries in the controller. Step 4, turn on the controller. And then step 5, turn on the console and play Cyberpunk 2077. Start with this box. Ooh, this is a nice Cyberpunk 2077 looking box. Samurai Punk 2077. Let's open this 2077. Let's see what's in here. There's nothing here, and it's literally just the vertical stand. Nothing cyberpunkish about this stand. But since it came in this box, it's a Cyberpunk 2077 stand. So don't get mixed up now. Let's see, we got this box over here. Look at this Cyberpunk destroying my backdrop. So here we have another Cyberpunk 2077 box. Look at that. Ooh, we got some fancy Cyberpunk 2077 HDMI high-speed cable. This ain't your standard black HDMI cable. It's Cyberpunk Blue, shade 2077 to be exact. Yes, the Cyberpunk 2077 controller. Cyberpunk 2077 tape off. Ooh, nice. It's all beaten up. No future. The end's backwards. It actually looks really nicely beat up and used. Nice. Here we have some sort of gang symbol. No batteries. Here we have QR code 2077. Here we have one red left bumper and left trigger. Nice silver. Rig XT7 Pro, oh my gosh. So cool, that's pretty much it. It's a controller. What else do you think it does? But it looks nice, because it's a Cyberpunk 2077 controller. Oh, and it also comes with batteries. You don't even need to be in 2077. And then one last, we have a Cyberpunk 2077 standard black power cable. So hopefully this console will still work in 2077. And last but not least, the moment of truth. It's the, ooh, this is pretty heavy. It's the console. Ooh, it looks nice already. We're actually gonna take a look at the back first because I unboxed this upside down. This looks epic. Here it says, again, no future samurai. Where is Johnny? I'm not sure what that says. Is that a 7?
Cyberpunk 2077.
And it is texturized to have a very bumpy, rough texture. You can see this nice 2077 paint job they got going on here. It says multi-tech, has the standard eject and power buttons and wireless receiving button, single USB port, the Xbox button, strong magnetic field. So I'm not sure what this is supposed to be exactly, but it looks like some sort of, it's a super capacitor. Solcho Electronics with the Xbox logo. It actually is a lot nicer than I expected it to be. This damage here on the side is just painted on, but all these lines, like this is actually engraved. You could feel the line. A lot of these are actually engravings. Like the colors down here, the yellow and bluish greenish here is engraved in. So it's not a bad way of Microsoft trying to get the rest of their Xbox One X's out on sale before their next console comes out. Has all the standard HDMI out, HDMI in, 2 USB ports, IR out, the SPDIF. Whoops. Yeah, I'm actually really impressed. At the bottom here, there's an engraving, "Hello from Seattle, Xbox One X." So, without looking at instructions, I'm gonna assume the Xbox goes on the stand. You know what? I'm gonna do it upside down so I don't bust some shit. Okay, so you put it down and push in one direction to lock it. Woo! There's a nice stand. There, you can have your Xbox looking all snazzy. I don't have a spinning base, so you're just gonna have to deal with this. Woohoo! Here's a nice little display we got here. There, look at that. Very nice. Oh wait, I don't think people are gonna know what this is, so you need to make sure the name you know. So I must say, the controller and the console is actually a lot nicer in person than I expected. Okay, so over here I have the limited edition Minecraft Xbox One S, not the X. The Xbox One X is definitely, actually not definite. Actually, it is heavier, not that much heavier. It looks a bit thinner. Let me get my advanced 2077 technology. 6.5 centimeters versus 6 centimeters. So it's half a centimeter thinner. 23 centimeters for the Minecraft and 24 centimeters for the 77. The new technology is pretty much the same size. It's slightly shorter in one dimension but longer in the other dimensions. So I unfortunately do not have an unboxing video for Minecraft because I didn't make one. If I do a re-unboxing video though, then you'll see links at the end of the video and in the description. But if you do not see it, then it means I didn't make the video yet. But I always thought this Minecraft Xbox was a very nice limited edition. And it is. Until Cyberpunk 2077 came out. It makes Minecraft look a lot more plain. But it's like classic. And this thing's just like future. Okay, so next step, let's plug this baby in and see what funky shit it does. Here I got my 80-inch Cyberpunk 2077 4K HDR high dynamic range 3D the 1% TV here, Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition controller, my Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition console, Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition controller here with my Cyberpunk limited edition controller batteries. Okay, listen carefully now. Let's see what funky shit this does. Did you hear that? Whoa! That thing just turned on a Lambo, yo! No lie, as soon as I turned on the console, a Lambo just spawned. Unfortunately, it spawned in my neighbor's driveway. Yo, that's the power of Cyberpunk 2077. So it looks like it's just a regular Xbox One X. So this is actually a light that lights up. I guess it's a power button. The Xbox logo lights up. The controller logo lights up. And that's pretty much it. And unlike the Minecraft edition, the Minecraft has a vent on the side or the top here so air blows out. Cyberpunk 2077 instead blows air out the back. Well, I obviously speak Dutch, and I am so not in the United States. I'm like on the other side of the world. This is the same as every other Xbox, but this is a Cyberpunk 2077 Xbox. Okay, so I'm just gonna put in the poor man's Cyberpunk 2077 game right now. And I'm so poor I don't even have the game. So here I got the hipster Cyberpunk game, and yeah, I do have this one. So I'm just putting this game in case it has a different sound when ejecting discs. Just like I thought. And now searching for wireless controllers makes the lights flash nicely. Shut down the system. So those are all the sounds you get with the Cyberpunk 2077 technology. Now there is a Cyberpunk 2077 controller stand made for the Cyberpunk 2077 controller, which I do have ordered, but it's taken way too long to get here. If the video's done, you'll see link in the description. There is a 2.077 terabyte hard drive for the Cyberpunk 2077. It's an external hard drive. There's also a 5 terabytes, but I think the 5 terabytes is too 1% for me. So since I already know that I'm at the limit of the 1 terabyte hard drive on my previous Xbox, and I'm gonna transfer everything over to the Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition Xbox One X, I'm gonna need more than the internal 1.077 terabyte hard drive. So I'll make a quick unboxing when it comes in, and if I did, then the link will be in the description. Cyberpunk 2077. This is the biggest cash grab to sell all this merchandise and spend all this money for a game franchise that's not even out yet. So this game better not be shit.
Cyberpunk is really going to be breathtaking.